For me, it's been perfect. I knew when I saw this apartment, I saw it on the internet, and I had been looking for over a year. All of a sudden, I put Miami Beach in, and all of these condominiums came up. We knew we didn't want to be in a high-rise nor in a house. And when I saw this place, that was it. We came here first. We walked in the door, and I was like, this is it, Courtney. I know it. This is it. This will suit our family.
We signed in 2007, so 12 years we've owned the property. We've lived here since 2008 because we did some renovations and some modifications to the apartment. So we actually started using it in 2008. Personally, our family loves the beach, the water, so this place was made to order. And as we found out about south of 5th and what it meant to be south of 5th, we enjoyed it even more. On a weekend, we go out to dinner or to breakfast. Usually we go for a walk all the way to South Point. If we have time, we ride the bikes later on and try and go to the beach at some point during the day.
The lifestyle is pretty busy because it works for everyone. This has been the perfect place for me because all of my brothers are younger. So when they come with their children, they're all younger than mine, and nobody has to do any entertaining. Everybody does what they want. They go to the beach, they go to the pool, they go shopping, and the wonderful part about it is you go walking or on the bike. You don't need to get into a car to go places here.
One of the great areas to take advantage of is the rooftop. You can sit there, you can have breakfast there, you can have coffee there, and in the evening you can celebrate with a Prosecco or champagne, and it just adds a different dimension, and it separates the house in two parts. You have the bedroom upstairs with its private rooftop, and then you have the bottom part which has access to the pool and to the outside areas. So it's 2 for 1.
I think now that we have children in different places in the States, that's where we're considering it's time to maybe go be near family.
I would say that you don't even have to think about it. This is a place that gathers so many things, so many components, and puts them all together into a complete package of beauty, space, comfort, location. I would tell them, don't hesitate. Come, look at the place, feel it, and you'll understand what we've been talking about.